Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA San Andreas mouse not working issue step by step in a quick and simple way. If your mouse is not responding or camera is stuck, don't worry, this is a common problem. First, open the game directory and locate the GTA_SA.exe file. Then right-click on it, go to Properties, Compatibility tab, and set it to run in compatibility mode for Windows XP Service Pack 3. And also check Run as Administrator. Now apply the changes and close it. Next, if you are using Steam version, make sure the Steam overlay is disabled because it can cause mouse glitches. After that, download a file called dinput8.dll and paste it into your game folder. This helps fix input issues in many cases. Also, unplug any extra controllers connected to your PC, as they can conflict with mouse input. Finally, restart your computer and launch the game again, and your mouse should start working normally without any issues. Subscribe the channel for more videos.